Cubot has been making persistent efforts to bring a revolution in the smartphone industry by providing exceptional value to its customers. With a wide range of budget-friendly smartphones, Cubot has successfully managed to cater to the needs of a diverse audience without compromising on the quality and features of its products. The company's focus on affordability combined with its commitment to innovate has allowed it to stand out in a highly competitive market, and its new Note option is no exception. This is the Cubot Note 40. The Cubot Note 40 is a unique smartphone that stands out from the crowd. It has been designed to provide consumers with a premium experience at an affordable price point. At its core, the Cubot Note 40 is powered by a decent processor that ensures smooth and seamless performance, and its screen quality and battery life can match that. With that said, let's unbox this guy and see what you get. So in the box you'll find a transparent and ergonomic protective cover. This also includes a manual, a guarantee, a mini key for the nano SIM, and a spare tempered glass. So it's clear straight away that they have opted for this minimalistic style of the rear of the phone, which looks quite clean. The Cubot Note 40 impressed me with its feel in the hand. Despite being a budget device, it feels like a premium mid-range one due to its smooth curves, cutouts, and overall design. It does have this premium feel and seems to be quite sturdy, with a super polished frame that looks a little like titanium. The top of the device is clean, giving a sleek and uncluttered appearance. With a height of 165mm by 75 by a thickness of 10mm and weighing only 222 grams, it is quite a slim and lightweight device. On the left side we will find our double slot for our nano SIM 1 and nano SIM 2. This means you can have two different phone numbers in the same device, which is convenient for those who want to separate their personal and professional lives. And finally, on the right side you'll find the power button, but unfortunately there is no fingerprint sensor for added security on this one, but the front facing camera does have 8 megapixels, which is more than enough for taking selfies and making video calls, but most of all very good for facial recognition. The Note 40 unlocks in a fraction of a second when you set up the face unlocking. I expected there to be a little input lag, but it seems to be quite quick. Thankfully, I haven't seen any lag or freezing when using this method of unlocking, and it does make up for not having that fingerprint sensor. While we're on the topic of the camera, at the back there is a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 50 megapixel main rear camera. The main camera is capable of taking decent high quality photos and videos with plenty of detail. They do seem to come out sharp enough and contain enough detail to make the pictures presentable. Granted, we do need to be a bit realistic with a device of this price point, as in low light conditions you aren't going to get a good picture at all. It's going to come across grainy and lack that overall sharpness to impress, but in good light, it's more than good enough. The macro camera is surprisingly decent too, allowing for capturing close-ups of small objects. Granted, it isn't sensational again, but for that price point, can we really grumble? It's just another great added feature that simply wouldn't be available on other devices in this price point. The navigation and fluidness of the operating system are snappy, and browsing the web and opening articles and images is quick and efficient. It comes equipped with 6GB of basic RAM and over 256GB of internal memory. When you pair all those up with its Unisoc T606 octa-core processor and the Mali G57 MP1 GPU, the internal specs are more than capable of running some of the basic mobile games and some of the more demanding titles on basic settings. During my experience, I played some less demanding games and I did not encounter any issues. The loading times were decent and it didn't cause any inconvenience. Now, if you were to max out the settings on some of the more demanding titles, that's when you will see it struggle. However, for basic gaming, it does a decent job. It is rather a snappy phone for its price point. I must admit I was pleasantly surprised by the screen's vibrancy despite its modest resolution of 720 by 1612. Even playing games on it is visually appealing. It does boast a robust 5200 mAh battery. This somewhat ensures you stay going throughout the day, give or take. Now, with heavy usage, you may notice you may need to charge midday, but with Type-C charging, you should be up and running again rather quickly. Overall, the Note 40 is one of the current top devices in the budget segment. Not only is it one of the cheapest devices available, but it also offers a range of impressive features that are typically found in higher end devices. Even if you increase your budget, it's challenging to find other brands offering all the features that the Cubot Note 40 provides. In summary, the device offers a somewhat high quality display, a more than impressive battery life, and a very decent processor, making it an excellent choice for users who desire a device that can handle intensive tasks and cater for most of their gaming needs. I personally believe that it is an exceptional device that offers great value for money. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.